Okay? The no trespassing sign is gone. We could go down there to see. It says no motorized vehicles.
Oh yeah, that's what
We are not vehicles.
Oh,
Dirt bikes, no, mini bikes.
so who does this belong to? Oh, the school then?
The school property,
Oh, I
yeah.
don't
But
really
somebody put a no trespassing sign. This goes by people's yards. I don't really want to explore it. I'm up if you are.
Okay, I'm game.
Okay. I got to downshift first.
You gotta go underneath there.
No, you can go around it, I think. I'll walk. I have mowed many a times, but not since they put this up. Ooh, nettles. Oh, I don't like nettles. Yeah, it's getting overgrown. I guess that was one advantage to having the four-wheelers come through here. I can downshift as I go. Well, I was just not wanting to slide on the mud here. I gotta stay in the bottom.
I don't want to get too close behind you. If you want to restow just
Some idiot, but I think it's one of these houses here.
Somebody
He
just-
piled it down on that trail too.
Yeah.
I'm going under. I think I'll fit. Dong. Got it?
Got it. Let go.
Okay. Very good.
Give it to the end.
Doing. Okay, let's see what this sign here says. That don't look like a village sign. No ATVs, okay. So I guess it's walking and bicycle.
I don't want people tearing up the place.
Oh yeah,
Do you know where you at?
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just catching my breath a little. I told you, I don't breathe like I should. In fact, hey, I got a kickstand. How convenient. And that's why I think it's that guy too. Because see, he's got his trailer there.
See, that's not for the show.
No, it looks like it's letters stuck on
Yeah.
the wrong side of it, or something. That ain't no. Those look like stick-on letters from the hardware store. How'd you like it? Nice. Yeah. Could be 3 times as long, but still fun. We got 160 acres to ride around.
Just realized I dropped back a little bit in case you hit a branch.
Wing!
You can remind me of
You gotta watch for 2 things. Nettles and those have thorns. Brambles, I don't know what they call them, but they suck. All right.